Begin. Question first. Read aloud the conversation in the story turn by turn. So, as it is not possible to read turn by turn, you can read entire story your own. Question second. Write about Malti and Dreama using the following points. This question is about writing the difference between Malti and Rima using the given points. The first point is appearance. Appearance means look. So, how each of them look, that you have to mention under this title. Next, studies. What are they good at and what are they weak at, that you have to mention. Singing, what type of song they sing and how their voice quality is. Next, attitude to others, what attitude they have towards others. For example, friendly, unfriendly, jealous, etc. Weak points. What are their weak points, that you have to mention over here. Use details from the story and your own imagination when you write the above descriptions. So you can take the help of story and also you can add your own imagination. Question third. Imagine you are Malti. Write about any one event in the story from Malti's point of view. That is what you have to consider yourself Malti, and whatever events given in the story, that you have to describe considering you in it performing as Malti. For example, if you are going to start your answer, you can start off with, as I entered the class, the girls or a group of girls started teasing me. The same way you have to go ahead. Next, question fourth. How do you behave with your classmates? Write about your attitude and behavior in the appropriate column. Some actions are given over here. First, ask for the help. So ask others for help. So if you ask others for help always, so this action can be written in the first column. If you ask sometimes, you can write in the second column. And if you never ask, so you can put this in the third column. The same way, you have to choose other actions. Which are those? Refuse help, judge others by their appearance, judge others by their accent. You can write some more your own. Question fifth. Talk about your strengths, your weaknesses, the changes that you would like to see in yourself. 3 each. What strengths do you have? Think of it. Or what strong points do you have? You have to think over and mention under this title. For example, honesty. For weaknesses, laziness. The changes that you would like to see in yourself. What changes do you want to see in yourself? The changes may be about your weaknesses, or the changes may be about your bad habits. So So accordingly, mention 3 of each. Question 6 is about developing pronunciation. For the same, if you if you find difficulty in pronouncing any word, browse it on internet and listen its pronunciation. What's more given here? Is it necessary to develop a good accent? Why? So answer of this question you need to write over here. Question 7th, list all the adverbs that end with ly from the passage. For example, roundly. So here this word ends with ly. The same way, find all other adverbs from this passage or the story. Question 8 is about language study, that is grammar section. So what is given over here? Types of nouns, proper nouns and common nouns. So read the given information and try to understand the definitions and the examples provided. What you have to do under this title? See the last paragraph. Write at least 5 common nouns and 5 proper nouns each. So you can write your own. Proper nouns are always written with a capital letter at the beginning. Remember. Can you think of proper nouns that include 2 or more words? How are they written? Find at least 10 such nouns. So let us see the example. Seva Hospital, the Times of India. So remember, if you are writing or talking about any of the noun of or any of the name of bank, hospital, newspaper, park, school, etc., at that time you may find 2 or more words in the name. So how they are written? They all are considered as the part of the proper noun. So here, if you notice the first example, Seva Hospital. So first letter of each word is written in capital. In another example, the Times of India. So here, instead of other words started with capital letter. Then what about of? It is preposition. So remember, if there is preposition in any of the proper noun, that is not that is written in small letters only, but for other words you have to use the first letter in capital. So you have find such 10 examples. Remember, you need to write the names of banks, hospitals, schools, newspapers, etc. I hope you all have understood how to solve the activities given in this workshop. Try to write the answers your own. If you find any difficulty, ask me while our session is going on. That's all about today's session.